What if you could create viral anime videos without lifting a pencil? You can bring characters to life. No animation skills, no fancy tools, no budget. It's fast, it's free, and it's made for creators like you. Well, creators are already doing this right now, racking up millions of views, gaining loyal subscribers, and monetizing anime content without ever learning animation. Let me introduce you to a perfect example. Inner Eye Man. They're crafting motivational, emotional, and spiritual anime-style content using nothing but AI visuals. With just 35 uploads, they've grown to over 70,000 subscribers. And according to Social Blade, they're earning between $29 to $477 a month. Not bad for a channel that's only a year old. So if you've ever dreamed of making anime content, this is your moment. Stick around, I'll show you how.
Through the quiet trials of solitude and the storms of self-doubt, he found himself constantly pulled back to the remembrance of Allah, a light flickering in the darkest corners of his heart. Each setback became a prayer, each tear a purification, and every small victory a whispered Alhamdulillah that echoed louder than any applause. Slowly he bloomed, not in spite of the hardship, but because of it, rooted in faith, watered by patience, and illuminated by divine guidance. What once felt like being lost became a journey home, and with every step forward he realized, growth isn't always loud. It's spiritual, sacred, and soaked in gratitude.
First thing first, let's head over to ChatGPT. Click on the first link. Now E in the home screen of ChatGPT. Now let's prompt ChatGPT that we need a script. You just have to play with it. Interact with it for best result. I already have a prompt prepared for the sake of the tutorial, and we are going to be referencing the Animon channel. And this is the prompt. I'm going to give a link to a YouTube channel, and I want you to analyze it and in turn list out topics, ideas on story script. From the channel, since we will be creating channel of such similarity, avoid copyright while doing so. Now GPT asking me to share the link. Just copy the link of Animon channel and paste it, then click. Now ChatGPT is going to analyze the channel and come up with story script ideas. And from what we can see from the screen so far, is that it comes up with categories and makes subcategories which we can build on. And it's really amazing how it organized it. Exciting, I must say. Now we have to copy this to our Google Docs. Head back to ChatGPT. Now we need to build a story on the first topic. And this is what we need to prompt GPT. Thank you, ChatGPT. Now I want you to develop a story script based on number 1 of the first category, faith and spiritual growth, which is sign of divine love. Click, wait and see how we build on it. And here's the script, and it actually looks great. Now quickly copy this script and take it to our Google Doc, which you will have to edit by removing the unwanted parts, because ChatGPT arranged it by segments. Now I need a prompt for our anime image generation hub, and this is what we have to prompt ChatGPT. Please GPT, generate me a prompt for image generation on anime base. On this story, I want to use it on Leonardo AI. The prompt should match the story, environment, scene, and make it cinematic. Just make it match the story with different scenes with the same character consistency, mind you. Leonardo generate 4 pictures at a time. So make the prompt to tell him to generate images in different scene according to the script, but with consistency of character. Now click and wait. Now, these are the prompts for the image generation, and copy it to your clipboard. Now head over to Leonardo AI. Wait for it to load, and from the home screen, click on the image. Since we are here for image generation, and wait and note, Leonardo gives 150 free daily credit. Now as usual, make sure you select Phoenix 1.0 and click aspect ratio 16:9 for horizontal format. And paste the prompt we already copied over here. To box and click on generate, wait, and it will only take a few minutes to get our images. And there you have it, nice and clean. Anime images. Look at all 4 of them. So smooth. It is perfect. Now we have to generate more, due to the duration of our script. Adjust the prompt a little bit so we can maintain the character consistency and hit on Generate E. We are just going to fasting this part as it's the same. Moving over to the next step, we need a voiceover for our story. Now we will be using Clap Tools. Just head over to Clap Tools, which is free tools for audio generation and monetizable. From the home screen, just click on Audio Tools. Now from the next page, click on Text to Speech. Now here is where the magic happens to generate our voiceover. First, we have to wait for it to verify that you are human by showing success and clicking on this drop-down menu. You are going to see voice options about 9. You can come down over here and preview the voices so you can make your choice. Now, from what we can see, it already showing success. And keep in mind that you can only generate 1,000 character a time. Now we should go to our Google Doc, copy the story. I will assume you already edit the story to 1 paragraph net and clean. Right-click and copy. Now head back to Clap Tools and paste it, and as you can see, the script exceed 1,000 character. Now we have to delete some part and click on Generate, give it few seconds to load up, and there you have it. Play it. And now click on the 3 dotted lines and hit the download. Now we have to generate the remaining part of the voiceover. Go back to the Google Doc and copy from the part we deleted. Note, you have to click Use again to verify before we can regenerate. Wait a bit. And now paste it. Click Generate E. Play and download. You can do a lot with this Clap Tools. Specially built for social media. Go through it in your free time and explore it. But if you are not satisfied with the voices, you can head over to 11lab E, link in the description below. Now for the next step, we have to animate our anime images, which we generated from Leonardo AI. And we will be using Animon AI. Search on it and click on the first link. And here's the home screen. This AI tools, as you can see from my previous video that I posted, you can use it to generate unlimited anime videos. And the fun part is that it is very easy to use with simple interface. Scroll down and see the prompt others are using to explore this AI. Now click on the Create button at the left side of the interface, and here is where the magic happens. As you can see what we created from our last video, this AI is very smooth for me. I will give it 90% ratings. You can see what I have created so far. Now click on the Upload Plus button over here. After uploading, now we have to describe how we want to animate the image. Give it a prompt. I already asked ChatGPT to help me with that. You can see the prompt over there. Copy the prompt for the scene 1 and head back to Animon and paste it. I will read out the prompt. Animate a peaceful morning scene. The character sits quietly on a bench under a tree. Gendy light rays filtering through leaves. Soft wind moving the grass. A calm and reflective atmosphere. Subtle camera zoom or pan to evoke stillness and inner peace. And click Generate. Complete the CAPTCHA. It's just a verification that you are human. Now, as you can see, it's on pending. And trust me guys, it does not take time at all compared to other free AI tools. Just wait. And here it is, guys. Click to preview it, and this is looking so nice. Now click on the download button. Now do the same thing for rest of the images, and you know the drill already. I'm just going to fasten things up. Now for the last step, head over to CapCut. Import all our footages generated into the media files, along with the voiceover. Now click and drag to the timeline. Adjust them accordingly. Now add your transitions for smoothness between footages. Make sure to apply it to all cuts. Select aspect ratio 16:9. Also add music from the audio pack. There are a lot of music to choose from. Some are pro and some are free. And the truth is, CapCut is no longer free, because most of its features are now pro. Add your caption to the story to make it look just like Integral Man. Now export it, and guys, there you have it. Animon AI is opening the doors for anyone to become an anime content creator. Channels like Integral Man are proof that with the right message and tools, you can grow fast, get monetized, and stand out on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Animate your imagination and start building your audience today. Subscribe for more AI content tutorials. Drop a comment below for more.